In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pipeline in Salesflare. Let's start by setting the stage. A sales pipeline in Salesflare is a visual way to track opportunities from first contact all the way to a win or a loss. Building a clear pipeline helps your team stay organized, forecast more accurately, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. We'll walk through creating one from scratch, then you'll be ready to start moving deals along your process. First, open Salesflare and head to your settings. Log into your dashboard, then click the profile or gear icon to open the settings menu. This is the control center for your CRM, and it's where you'll tailor things like pipelines to match how your team actually sells. If you're working in a shared account, make sure you have the right permissions to make configuration changes. Next, find the area labeled Configure Pipelines and click it. This section is dedicated to creating and managing all of your sales pipelines. Think of it as the workshop where you'll design the stages that mirror your real-world sales steps. To create a new pipeline, look for the large orange plus button at the bottom right of your screen. Click it and choose Create Pipeline. This opens a fresh, empty pipeline ready to be customized. Many teams create separate pipelines for different motions, like new business, renewals, or enterprise deals, so feel free to repeat this later if needed. Now give your pipeline a clear, descriptive name. Names like sales leads, enterprise deals, or renewals work well because everyone immediately understands what's inside. Consistent naming helps reporting and keeps your team aligned when switching between pipelines. With the pipeline created, it's time to add stages. Click the plus button again to create each stage of your process. A common flow is lead, contacted, qualified, proposal, and then closed won or closed lost. Keep the stages specific enough to signal progress, but not so granular that they slow you down. You can rearrange stages by dragging and dropping them into the right order, edit a stage with the pencil icon if you want to rename or refine it, and delete any stage that doesn't fit. Aim for a clean, intuitive sequence your team will actually use. Once your stages are in place, you're ready to put the pipeline to work. Go to the Opportunities section, and you'll see your new pipeline as a visual board, similar to a Kanban board. From there, create deals or opportunities and drag them through the stages as they progress. Update them regularly, and your pipeline will become a reliable snapshot of your sales momentum.